Welcome to ProCAT Winner 2025. In this video, we'll guide you through our new interactive transcript summary feature available for any of your past, present, or future transcripts. The transcript summary feature provides customizable summaries of your transcripts, short, medium, or long, and also allows you to ask personalized questions about the transcript. Whether you're using these summaries for your own insight or offering them to clients as an additional service or add-on, such as you already do with rough drafts, expedited services, or providing real-time connections, Winner 2025 makes the process easy, convenient, and nearly automatic. Let's dive in and show you how it works. In Winner, open up your transcript. In this instance, we have a 154-page transcript. From the Tools menu, choose Generate Summary. If you've already generated a summary, such as I have, you can generate another one. As a matter of fact, you can generate as many summaries as you like. Choose from Short, Medium, Long, or Custom. In this example, we will choose Custom in order to provide you with an example of how you can interact with the transcript. In this example, we will use the following prompt. First, list each of the participants and their roles. Then, list the exhibits and a short description of each, then a detailed summary. Last, list any objections and by whom they were said. Choose OK. A pop-up window will appear letting you know the approximate cost to generate the summary. This cost is based on the length of the transcript. Minutes are charged to your account, which you will set up with our technical support team. We will choose Yes. The transcript is then loaded into our summary engine, and within a few seconds to a minute or so, your summary will appear at the top. Here's the summary. There's the exhibits listed with the description. Here's the summary of the transcript. And there were no objections noted in the transcript. You can copy-paste the summary into an email, a word processor, or any other program of your choosing. Simply highlight the summary, and you can copy-paste with Control-C for copy and Control-V for paste. Close the summary by choosing the X in the upper right-hand corner. View the summary at any time by choosing View, Show Panels, and choose Summary. Another way to view or generate summaries is by using the Case tab. So we'll close out of this document, and we'll go to the Case tab. Choose your case or job. You can view current or even previous summaries by choosing the summary files. The summary files are listed like this. There's one summary, and here's another summary. You can double-click, and it will give you the summaries for each one. Again, you can highlight, copy, and paste the summaries into an email, word processor, or wherever you choose. New summaries can also be generated from the Cases tab by right-clicking on the transcript name and choosing Generate Summary. Thank you for watching this video about generating summaries in Winner 2025. We know you will find it useful not only for yourself, but also for providing a new service you can deliver to your clients.